Hello everyone. Today I came across this question. It's a puzzle. It's about from a book George Summers. I was looking into those puzzles and I found this one very interesting. Uh, the puzzle says you have to find a number. Let's suppose it may be any number like x. You have to find a number which, if it's divisible by 3, then it should be from 50 to 59, or if it's not divisible by 4, then it should be between 60 to 69, and if it's not divisible by 6, then it should be from 70 to 79. This is the condition and you have to find a number. Okay, if we start from the first one, let's suppose the number lies in the range of 50 to 59. We assume the number is one of from 50 to 51. So let's satisfy our condition. If it's divisible by 3, so we know this is not divisible by 3 and this one is divisible by 3. Second, this one we can choose, and similarly this one also we can choose. So we can eliminate these numbers because they are not divisible by 3. Okay, now second condition, if we have to match, like if it's not divisible by 4, then it should be here. So it means if it's divisible by 4, then it can be here. So let's say find this number which is divisible by 4. So this one is not divisible, so we can eliminate this one also. Second, 54 is also not divisible by 4, so we can eliminate this. And 57 is an odd number, so it's also not divisible by 4, so let's cross out. So it says that from these two conditions we can infer that none of the numbers from the range of 50 to 59 is valid for this puzzle. So let's move on to second quiz. Second row, if a number is not divisible by 4, then it should lie from 60 to 69. Let's see which are the numbers which are not divisible by 4. This is divided by 4. Yeah, okay, we can choose this one, 62, 63, and it's again divisible by 4, so we cannot choose it. We can choose this 3. Again, this is divisible, so we cannot choose this one, and we can choose this. So according to second condition, we have these numbers 61, 62, 63, 66, 67, and 69. Okay, now we have to verify this condition as well, and the third one also. So if we verify this here, so let's continue with 61. 61 is divisible by 3. So the case was, if it's divisible by 3, then it should lie here. So that means it should not be divisible by 3. So if it's not divisible by 3, then it can be a correct number. So this is divisible by 3, not, so we can select it. Yeah, possible solution may be 61. Then this one also, it may be possible solution. This one is not the possible solution because it's divisible by 3, and if it's divisible by 3, we cannot take this due to rule number 1. Now 64, no, sorry, we cannot take this. Now we have circled 65 and it's not divisible by 3, so this can also be our number. 66, it's divisible by 3, so we cannot take this one. 67 is not divisible by 3, so we can take this number also. And 69, it's divisible by 3, so we cannot take this number. So we have now this 61, 62, 65 and 67. 61, 62, 65 and 67. Let's assume our number is in between these 4, like not between, among these 4. So it should also be divisible by 6, because if not divisible by 6, then it should lie from 70 to 79. So these numbers should satisfy a condition which says it should be divisible by 6. So if we go here, this is not divisible by 6, cross it. This one also not, cross. None of them are divisible by 6, so we can eliminate these numbers. So up to these two rows are cancelled, they are not in the solution. Now the third row is this, and the number must be from here as per these conditions. So we'll take first condition, it should be not divisible by 6, so we can take this one. 71 also, this we cannot take. 73 we can, 74, 75, 76, 77. We cannot take this because it's divisible by 6, and 79. So we have these numbers 71, 70, 71, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 79. Now let's move on to first condition, that it should not be divisible by 3. If it were to be divisible by 3, then it should be from 50 to 59. Since we are in the third row, we have already eliminated first and second, so we are only left with the third row, and third row it should not be divisible by 3. Okay, so yeah, this is okay, it is not divisible by 3. We can select this number and this number also. Similarly, we can take this number 74. Yes, this we cannot take because it's divisible by 3. And 77, 76 we can take, 77 also we can take, and 79 also we can take. Okay, so we have now 70, 71, 73, 74, 76, 77, 79, 79. Okay, our solution, our required number must be out of these 70, 71, 73, 74, 76, 77, 79. Okay, now let's check this condition. We have already checked this condition, already checked. Now only we are left with one condition, which says it should be divisible by 4. If it wasn't divisible by 4, then the number would have been from 60 to 69, any number from this. But since we have already eliminated first and second, we are only left with third, and among third also we are only left with these numbers. So which one of them are divisible by 4? They all can be answered, or only one can be answered, or maybe we cannot find any number which are divisible by 4 for these number, then we don't have an answer. So let's try. 70 is divisible by 4, no, cancel. 71, no. This is also odd number, no. 74, yeah, it may be, but it's not divisible by 4, so it cannot be. 76, yeah, it can be. It is divisible by 4, so we can select this one. And this one 77, it's also not divisible by 4, so we cannot take this. And it's also not divisible by 4. It's also, yeah, so cancel out. So we are only left with one number, and all the conditions are fulfilled with this number, so we can say 76 our required answer. If you have any question, you can put it on, you can send us, you can write to us, or you can comment wherever you are watching this video. So the 76 is the final answer.